Hi, my name is Nur Alia Shera binti Kamarazizi. I would like to sing a song about dream and goals. This is my song. Dreams are engraved in the high sky, stored well in memory. Even though many tests have been taken, I will not give up. Now grab the key and drive to airport. On the way to Australia, come out assist the night and get some appetizing food. I will diligent to raise money not for splurging, but to wander around the world to create beautiful memories. Do not waste your yard. Get a memorable memories around the world to make a Polaroid.